Good morning everyone. Welcome back to your SS online class. So first of all, Happy New Year to everyone, and let's start our today's class after a long vacation. So as I given you the vacation work that you have to learn chapter number 9 and 10. So I hope you all have learned it. After when I get the time, I will take your class test. Okay. Now let's start our today's class. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 11, Pupil at Work. All of you take out your book and take chapter number 11, Pupil at Work. At the corner, page number 56. All of you have to take page number 56, chapter number 11, Pupil at Work. All of you write the CW and date at the corner of the page. Write CW and date 3/1/2022. So all of you write the date. So pupil at work. In this chapter, we have to learn what pupil do the work at the same time. Okay, different people do different work. Like some are doctor who treated the patients. Some are teacher who come to your school to study, to teaches you, right? Some are teachers who come to school to teaches you. Some are tailor who stitch your clothes. Some are plumber who fix your taps. So different people have different jobs, and every job is very important. If you don't have the plumber, then who will fix your tap? If you don't have the tailor, then who will stitch your clothes? So different people have different work, and every work is important. We should respect everybody's work, right? So let's start the chapter. All of you take page number 56, and I am going to read it and I am going to explain you. Okay? People do different type of work. Anita's father is a computer engineer. He works in an office. As Anita's father is a computer software engineer. Computer engineer means software engineer. So he work in a office. Okay, he goes office, he come back from the office, he do his work. Next, Rehan father is a doctor. He work in a hospital. Rehan's father is a doctor. He work in the hospital. He treat the patients. Okay, he treat the sick people. When we have any problem, we have any sickness, we go to the doctor. So the first is computer engineer. First we learn the person. Anita's father is a computer engineer. Second is Rehan's father is a doctor. Malti's mother is a teacher. She teaches in a college. Malti's mother is a teacher. She teaches in college. So Malti's mother is a teacher. She teaches in a college. Next, Renu's mother is a banker. She works in a banker. The work people do are their jobs, and their job help us to earn money. Okay, so the work people do is their jobs, and people do their jobs to earn the money. Okay, so why we are doing the jobs? To earn the money. So what is the work of a computer engineer? Computer engineer's work is to do the software work, okay, in the office. And doctor work is to treat the treat the patient. Teacher works to teach you. Teaching in school, okay. Banker work is to take your money and save it in your bank. Banker work in the bank. So here we learned about the different types of people, like software engineer work in a office, doctor work in a hospital. His work is to treat the patient. Teacher work, teacher teaching in the school. Her work is to teach the students and teach them the manners also. Okay. So teacher help you to fulfill your dreams, fulfill your ambitions. Okay. Next, banker work in a bank. His work is to take the money or give the money or save the money. Okay. Next, they all work for the people do the job. These jobs are called. These jobs help them to earn the money. Okay. Next is a tailor. A tailor stitch our clothes. What is the work of a tailor? A tailor stitch our clothes. What is the work of a tailor? A tailor stitch our clothes. A farmer grow the crops. So, in the place, have you seen the farmer? Their work is to grow the crop. A plumber repair our taps. Plumbers, what is the work of the plumber? Plumber repair the taps. They fix the taps in your houses, right? When you have problem in your taps, then you call the plumber. Next, a grocer sells the groceries. Grocery means your daily needs. A grocer, in your house there may be a shop, and that we call the grocer. And when we go there, we can purchase our daily needs things, okay, from the grocer. Next, a housemaid help in cleaning of utensils and clothes. In our house, there is a auntie or a didi come to help our mother. She help in cleaning the house, in cleaning the utensils or cleaning the clothes. So, a housemaid helps cleaning the utensils, cleaning the house and clothes. A carpenter makes chairs, table and bed. What is the work of a carpenter? A carpenter makes tables, chair and beds. Okay. Next, electricians repair lights and fans. When there is a problem in our house of lights or fans, then we call the electrician, right? Electricians help or electrician repair the problem related to electricity. Next, a soldier protect the country, right? Have you seen the soldier? You have seen the soldier in the TVs or somewhere else. They help us to protect the country. They are at the border and protecting the country. So, the soldier are the real hero of our country because they are protecting our country. Okay. Next is a postman. A postman bring our letters. So, what is the work of a postman? We learned in the last chapter also. A postman help us to bring our letter, parcel and many things. Okay. So, we learned different types of people doing different work. All jobs are important. We should respect all the people and their jobs. So, we should respect all the pupils and their job also. So, there are different, today we learned from this chapter that different people have different jobs. Like computer engineer work in the office and doctor work in the hospital. His work to treat the sick pupil. Teacher teaches in the school. Her work to teaching in the school. Next, a banker work in the bank, and his work is to maintain the bank record. And a tailor stitches our clothes. A plumber repair our taps. A farmer grow crops. If the farmer will not is not growing the crop, then what will we eat? So farmer also play the important role in our life. Farmer grow crops for us. A grocer sells the groceries. A housemaid help in cleaning the utensils and the clothes. A carpenter make the chairs, table and bed. Electrician help in lights and fans. A soldier protect the country, and a postman bring our letter. So we completed our this chapter. Your homework is you have to read this chapter 2 times. Your homework is you have to read this chapter 2 times. That's all for today's work. Thank you and have a nice day.